In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this really cool walking animation in Canva using only the Canva elements that we have available. And it's pretty cool that we can see this person walking across the screen. We see multiple layers in the design, and that really adds to that professionalism and realism in your designs. So let's have a look at how we can do this in Canva all the way from scratch. Let's jump into Canva, and we're starting from a blank presentation slide. For that, the first thing we want to set the scene. So I'm going to Elements, and here type in Park. Let's go for Graphics, and then see whichever one we like most. There's a lot of them available. You can also generate your own. That doesn't really matter. I'm going to choose one of those and drag it on the canvas. You can always double tap it and adjust the cropping so it matches your ideal aesthetic. So this is quite good. What we have now is we have the pathway from left to right. That will make it easy for us. And we also have some layers in the foreground. Now let's do the character. So we're going to do walking. And now we're going to filter options and go for animated. So we only see the animated versions of those elements. There's a few things we can choose. So there's multiple styles available, multiple walking animations. If you scroll down, you can always narrow down the search to have something different. Select it and drag it on the canvas. This of course is a bit too large, so we're going to scale it down until it becomes more realistic, just like this. Maybe a bit smaller. And then we're going to flip it horizontal, so that the person can walk this way. What we're going to do now is we're going to position it to the left, so it's almost outside of frame, but not entirely of frame. And then we're going to the Animate tab and create animation. Now here it gives the explanation, but what we can do is we can drag an element, and I'm going to scroll backwards just a little bit. And if we now select the element and drag it, it will create that line. And if you hold Shift, it will go in a straight line until it moves outside of the frame. So here we see we have that little bump. If you don't like it, you go to delete path and you just repeat it until you have the result that you want. Just like this. Now, if you have the path and the movement speed isn't how you want it, you can go to movement styles and do it in smooth or steady. So if you do smooth, it will keep that motion that you created. If you do steady, it will create a steady path. For the speed, you can make it fast or you can make it slow to have it like this. If you're not happy with the result, you can delete it and maybe do it just a little bit slower, so it better matches the result that you want. So if we just repeat that until the end, set it to steady, this will go better. And then we click on done, and we have this animation path as soon as we start playing. Now what I like to do is I like to add some elements up front. So go to elements and here do, for example, bush. Now of course we have to deselect the animated only, and then select one of the bushes that sort of fit the style of the image that we have. So let's go for this one, for example. I think that will fit, and put it here at the bottom. We're going to create a duplicate. You can always flip it and create some copies and spread them around your design. You can make them larger or smaller, that doesn't really matter. And now let's preview. And now we have a really nice scene of the park, and as soon as we click, the person will start walking. And what I now like to do is to control the animation. I like to make a duplicate, and on the first one, I remove the element that we have animated. And if we then preview, that will give us total control. So now we have an opening slide or an opening visual, and as soon as we click, the animation will start playing and the person or the character will walk across the screen. So I think this is a really cool way to animate in Canva, and it doesn't take any motion skills or video editing skills. You can just use the basic elements and designs and animations to come up with a pretty nice, solid, but very basic animation. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you want to learn more about Canva, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now.